Hi guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a weekly plan with me for the 15th through to the 21st of January. I can't believe that we're over halfway through January already. My little girl is 5 months this week, which is just really scary to me. So she is in the living room playing and making a fair bit of noise, so I'm going to voice over and speed through. So let's jump into it. So I'm just popping out my insert there, and this week I'm using this beautiful kit from Blackbird Print Co. This is called the Golden Garden. I've had this kit for quite a while. I don't know if it's still available, but definitely check out her shop anyway because she has some very beautiful designs. And this is just one of the smaller 5-page kits, so it doesn't have day covers or any of the deluxe items, but that's fine. As you'll see, I definitely make it work. So what I'm doing today is I'm just taking that bottom washi and I'm slicing it in half. This is just something new I'm trying and I actually really liked it. These inserts are a little bit shorter than an A5 planner or like an Erin Condren style planner, so I just wanted to give myself a little bit of space. So I've just sliced it in half horizontally and then again vertically. So I'm just using the large piece of the bottom washi for this, and that fits across the bottom of my page beautifully. So next I'm just taking a piece of washi and I'm using it to back my Planet Beautiful monthly script sticker for January. And I'm onto my second sheet of these. Next, as this kit doesn't come with day covers, I'm taking this Natty planning sheet, and these are often in her $2 Tuesday, so definitely check these out. They're vinyl and they're gorgeous. So I'm using the pink version, and it's just like a watercolor brushstroke with some like faux gold on there. Then I'm going to take this leftover sheet from a GP Studio subscription box and I'm using these gold glitter headers, but as there's only 5 left, I'm going to alternate those with washi from the kit. And I'm just doing this because these date covers are a kiss cut around that sort of brushstroke shape. They're not cut into a box, so I didn't want to have the lines showing at the back there. Next I'm using this quote box. It says up, up and away from the kit. It's beautiful with that butterfly on it. I really love that. Then I'm taking a habit tracker from Glam Planning XO because this kit didn't come with any. Like I said, it is an older format, so they have changed since. Next I'm taking this beautiful glitter washi from the kit and I'm using it to back a reminder header, and this is for my Happy Mail, but there is no Happy Mail header, so the reminder does just fine. Then I'm putting in a checklist. Next I'm taking these Mini Monday double dots from That Planner Girl and I'm just putting that in to mark my son's last Burns Clinic appointment. So dressing is all off now, it's all good. I'm really happy about that. And I'm putting in a Violet LeBeau hand-drawn medical icon, just using the little band-aid. Next I'm putting in a half box and this cute little coffee cup from a Natty planning sampler. To mark that I had a catch up with my friends. And then I'm just using a little thing and the car icon from the kit to mark that I had to go pick up my bridesmaid's dress. I'm just popping in a little thing down the bottom to mark I had to answer some emails. Then my full box. Then I just had a couple of to-dos, so I'm putting in a to-do header and I'm just snipping off 2 hearts off this checklist. And that fits in there just perfectly. On to Tuesday I had quite a few things to do, so I'm just putting in a to-do list, a full list. Really all I did this day was clean, so I put in a to clean header and I'm just going to put in my full box up the top, and in the middle I'm just going to pop a half box just to mark that it was a cleaning day. And then I'm going to take one of these cute little Peace of Mind design Eshy characters and I'm going to use the one with the little broom. I love these little guys, they're so cute. On to Wednesday, I'm taking my That Planner Girl glitter pencil, and this is new for me, my Peace of Mind Design Kindy Today stickers. So they're little script stickers with a little ABC blocks on them, and they're really cute. And I'm just popping that over the top. Next I'm going in with a half box and this gorgeous Natty Planning Girl for shopping with my friends. Then another double dot and a coffee date sticker off that same GP Studio sheet. So that was just, we came back to my place and I made everyone coffee and we had like a little planner stash raid sesh. It's a lot of fun. Next I'm taking my Black Wombat AU baby milestones and I'm taking the 5 months old today and I'm just trimming the top and bottom off it to make it fit a little better. My baby girl is 5 months old. It's gone so quick. And then I'm going to put in a to buy header and a mini checklist just for a little mini shopping list. If you look really closely here, you can see little baby hands. So I've actually been planning most of this with her on my lap, which was definitely tricky. So next I'm going in with a couple more of those GP Studio glitter headers and then just some washi strips from the kit on the alternate days. I actually didn't get a chance to plan this week until Friday, so Monday to Thursday and this week is back planned, so that's why it's quite full and I knew a lot what I was doing. Okay, next I'm just popping in the rest of my date covers. Now I'm putting in my weekend banner and this was very tricky. Like I said, I had a baby on my knee and she was getting really fussy at this point, so I was trying to do this sort of really sideways and it took me a couple of goes to get it right. And I do go out of frame a little bit here. I do apologize. Again, that was just me trying to work around a squirming 5-month-old. So for Thursday, I put in a full box, a today header, and then a double dot, a half box, and an appointment label. And of course, I forget to put my decorative icons in, but I do come back to that. Then I put a to-do header and a little mini 2-heart checklist that I cut down. And a Friday, another glitter pencil with the Kindy Today script sticker, and I put in a header and I'm going to cover up that littles with a me time sticker from the kit, but I actually really don't like how that looks. So ironically, as I was putting down the me time sticker, I had to go put my baby down to sleep. So that was meant to be my me time planning session, but didn't happen. So anyway, I peeled that up and then I put in a half box and a grocery cart to mark that we had to go get groceries. And then I moved that me time down and I like that a lot better. It's not centered under that other script sticker. It just looked a little odd. Now we're taking this Mumsy and Bub planning sheet and that little yellow planner on there fits this spread perfectly. I'm popping in my full box down the bottom and another to-do header with another little mini checklist. So I'm just going to use the rest of that one that I used on Thursday. Give myself a little 3-heart checklist. On to Saturday, I'm using a little thing and I'm covering up that plate with a Peace of Mind Design tooth to remind me to change my Invisalign. I'm putting in a little half box. That little swimming pool icon is from Blackbird Print Co. It's to mark when planning on going swimming on Saturday. And this is where I remember that I haven't done Thursday's icon. So then on Thursday I put down a little bee sticker addiction, Penny the pug eating pizza. We had a pizza night. Peaceful Mind Design sun to mark that we went swimming at the lagoon. And the little flip-flops on the double dot are for, we went to the beach, but it was a massive fail. It was too windy, we couldn't set up the beach tent, and because we have a 5-month-old, obviously we can't just have her out in the sun, so we had to just pack up and come home. So we came home and went swimming at the lagoon instead, and we had a really good time. So on Friday, I'm just putting in a flag and a payday icon from the kit. Then back to finish Saturday, so another double dot and the TV icon from the kit for, I had a few things to do just to catch up on videos for my channel. Then that pretty full box and a to-do header with just a little mini flag checklist. On Sunday I'm using that last appointment label and a little Felix on a stack of washi from a That Planner Girl sampler to mark that it's going to be my planning session for the next week. And then the half box, I don't know what I'm doing that day yet, so I'm just going to leave that blank. And then I'm going to cut down that last checklist and pop in a 3-heart checklist there, just in case I need a to-do list. And I just used a Littles header to switch it up a little bit. And that's the finished spread for now. So don't forget to check out my Instagram for the finished spread at the end of the week. And I really hope you enjoyed watching. I really love this finished spread. I love how it turned out. I love these colors. So don't forget to give me a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.